निकल गई मिस्सी। ये हुई ना बात। See that? Wasn't that amazing? That's the reason to come out here and dine, especially in the evening, because it looks really amazing like that. And my missi roti is ready. लगा दो यार। हाँ थोड़ा सा। अच्छा एक मिस्सी और एक तंदूरी। पुदीना लगा देना, पुदीना थोड़ा सा, पुदीना देना, पुदीना। अपना नाम फिर से बता दो। दिनेश। 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 That was Dinesh ji, former employee at IIT. That's fresh roti fulka. अपना भी नाम से बता दो। जगदीश। हैं? जगदीश। जगदीश। दिनेश जगदीश। So I'm just waiting for my food to come. We're gonna serve it in a while. I've ordered chole. Hi Raruba. इसको छोले आ रहे? छोले। छोले हो गए? अरे वाह। So I'm just waiting for my food to come. They served me the missi roti and the salad. They are already here. Missi roti and radish rooli. And I've ordered chole masala today. So it's just about to come in a minute and I'll show you. हेलो हो गया। धनिया हरी मिर्च पा देना थोड़ी। Can't wait. Alright, family, how you all doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walk and Beyond. This is your host Nitin. And so while I wait for my shoes to arrive, that's gonna come across the Indian Ocean. It'll be here by tomorrow, most likely. However, for sure. However, this is going to be just a chill week, so I'm just going to get myself enough of my nutrition that I've been missing all this while I've been on that dieting plan, routine, and walking and running primarily. That was a major focus, not the diet essentially. I've been having normal, regular, home cooked, regular food. Not been very strict with the dieting, but I'm going to start that now with the 1 month remaining for the running. So in the meanwhile, while I wait for my shoes, and also this next whole week, I'm just going to chill and make sure that I get myself enough nutrition and eat a lot of food that I've been missing. I see Surinder Singh also joined. Hi, how are you? So let me just show you again what I'm having. थोड़ा सा लगा देना बट what I'm having is missi roti with a little bit of pudina. He made it a little bit extra crispy, and you can see there is some pudina powder, so it's lips packing good. And then I'm having chole masala. That's just half the portion. More than enough for a single person. So let me just try it. My tandoori roti is also here. Amazing. I really love eating the missi roti because it's also a healthy option. But personally, I really like the taste of it, especially when they sprinkle some pudina powder over it. It makes it even more worthwhile. So the missi roti is quite good, very flavorful, and there's also onion inside it. So quite flavorful, almost tastes like a paratha. And chole is out of this world. I've had chole a lot of places, but trust me, this humble typical dhaba, don't go by the size or the look of it. The food is absolutely amazing, and the chole they have used the raw spices, what they also call it as a khada masala. So that's giving it a little extra punch to the chole. And then they've, to finish it up, they've topped it up with grated cottage cheese, that is paneer, and lots of cream and coriander for the garnishing. So as you can see, it's really amazing, mouth watering. I don't know if you can see the steam, but it's really hot, piping hot. But mouth watering good. So as you can see, there is already very generous amount of chole serving in a half of a plate, and I think it's just 60 bucks for this because it's chana masala. They also have rajma, curry, jeera, aloo gobi, and all of these items are on an average 40 to 50 or 60 bucks max. The chap, shahi paneer, palak paneer, and the soya chap are 80 bucks. Rest everything is paneer, and paneer butter masala is like 100 and 150 above. So it's really good. And so I was telling you that it's wholesome, generous amount of quantity of chole with lots of love of cream and butter, chili, tomatoes, and coriander. So I'm just going to enjoy that. That's all I'm going to have. If I feel more hungry, then I might get myself one tawa roti chapati that you can see they are making out there. So, alright, that's all for today. Just wanted to give you this review. Let me just show it to you from the outside, which I forgot. By the way, this is evening time, and you can see there's a lot of crowd that's gathered because this is dinner time. But you will always find this place bustling with crowds every time. Morning for the breakfast, parathas or food, afternoon for the lunch, and also the dinner time. So this is the place that you can see in my background. It's called Punjabi Dhaba. You've got to try this place. They say that it is one of the most economical, cost-effective, one of the cheapest place out here. But let me tell you, while that is true, but it is also one of the best when it comes to taste. I've tried some more costlier options as well, but the food here is just outstanding. So just wanted to give you a glimpse of that. So let me just finish up my food and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye. Take care. Alright, so dinner done. Finish it off with my favorite shop, Deen Dayal Mishti shop, along with the Long Lata, my absolute favorite. So I got to have it after dinner today. Before this, I used to have it with along with the samosa and tea once in a while. So it feels like heaven. Oh, the tea was over because they just have tea till about 6-7. But the shop, the other things are available till 9 p.m. So I'm gonna go back and finish off the day with a hot cup of tea, my favorite black cardamom tea. So that's it. Alright, bye bye, take care. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev.